We're making this amazing cookie recipe that's very easy to make. It turned out delicious, and I hope you try it for your kids, because trust me, they're going to love it. Let's get started. In my saucepan, I added in sugar, followed by milk, and then a pinch of salt. I'll then let this cook slowly while stirring it until the sugar has dissolved completely. That's what you're looking for. When you get to this point, keep it aside. The next thing is to add butter to a mixing bowl, and then add in the sugar syrup bit by bit. So add it to it bit by bit, and then mix until everything has come together before going in. So I divided mine into 3 parts. First 1/4, and then I mixed it well combined before the second and then the last part. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. So mix until everything has come together until it is creamy like this, and then go in with an egg. Mix until everything has come together before going in with the dry ingredients. For the dry ingredients, I added in flour. I used all-purpose flour. I then added in baking powder and vanilla extract. So if your vanilla extract is the liquid one, make sure you add it to the liquid ingredient first before going in with the dry ingredients. So mix until it has formed a dough, and then until everything has come together. This should be the consistency. Transfer it into a cling film. Make sure you flatten it a little bit, and then put it in the fridge for at least 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, sprinkle flour on your work surface and then roll out the dough. It shouldn't be that thin. The thickness should be around 6 to 7 millimeters, and then use a scone cutter like this to cut a circle shape. So as you can tell from the video, it's very easy. You need few ingredients for this amazing recipe, and trust me, your kids will love it. When done, bring it and arrange it on your baking tray. Next is to brush on top with an egg wash, and all you have to do is to design the top with a fork or a spoon. Any design you want to do at all, you want to make at all, you can go ahead and make that design. Bake this bad boys at 170 degrees Celsius from 15 to 18 minutes. From 15 to 18 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. And guys, just look at this. This was beautiful. It was delicious. It was super crunchy. It was yummy. Try it and let me know the outcome in the comment section. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video, and I know you're going to give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, see you in my next video. So you can make this like a bunch of cookies, and then as a gift, you can give it as a gift to your friends, to your family, your loved ones, and trust me, they're going to thank you. They're going to love it. Please try it and let me know the outcome. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Love you all and stay blessed.